In this demonstration, I will walk through CyberGuard, a modern browser-based password security and encryption suite designed for improving digital security. Let's start by cloning the repository from GitHub. CyberGuard is completely client-side and requires no back-end server. You can run it on any system with a modern browser. After cloning the repository, I simply move into the project directory. To serve the application locally, I start a basic Python HTTP server. This is a lightweight option that allows CyberGuard to run exactly as it would on a live website. Once the server is running, I navigate to localhost. CyberGuard loads instantly because the entire suite operates directly in the browser. There is no data processing on external servers, and no information leaves the device, ensuring complete privacy and a fully offline experience. This is the CyberGuard Home Dashboard, which brings together all three core tools: the Password Strength Analyzer, the Encryption Vault, and the Security Dashboard. Let's start by analyzing a password. This is the Password Strength Analyzer. It evaluates any password in real time using entropy calculations, rule-based checks, and a large database of leaked and commonly used passwords, and shows which security criteria are met or missing. Let me test one. As soon as I enter a weak password, CyberGuard immediately flags it as compromised. This warning appears because the password exists in real-world leaked databases. The tool also shows instant crack time, a visual breakdown of its weaknesses, and below the chart, CyberGuard provides detailed recommendations tailored to the password. These suggestions guide users towards stronger, more secure choices by highlighting missing character types, length requirements, and overall best practices. Next, I'll try a stronger example. Password 123. As I type, you can see how CyberGuard updates all the security criteria in real time. The password now meets most requirements. It has uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and a good length, so the strength level moves into the strong category. However, CyberGuard still points out areas that weaken the overall security. It highlights that this password does not include any special characters, and it also detects the predictable sequence 123, which is extremely common in weak or guessable passwords. On the right side, the radar chart expands to show how the structure improves across categories like length, uppercase, lowercase, and numbers. This visual makes it easy to see what's strong and what's still missing. Below that, the recommendations update automatically. CyberGuard suggests adding special characters, avoiding predictable patterns, and increasing the length for even better protection. These tips change dynamically based on the exact password entered, giving users clear and actionable guidance. CyberGuard also detects names and common words. For example, when I type messy, it immediately warns that the password is easily guessable. Now I'll create a much stronger password by mixing uppercase letters, symbols, and numbers. As I type, the strength level increases and the score improves rapidly. Once the requirements are met and the entropy is high enough, the password moves into the strong category with clear improvements across all criteria. Now let's encrypt this password. This is the Encryption Vault, where CyberGuard secures any password using AES-256 or other supported methods. The password I created earlier is already loaded here, and I can reveal it using the visibility toggle. If I leave the key field empty, CyberGuard will automatically generate a strong encryption key. I'll go ahead and encrypt it now. The encrypted hash and key are created instantly, all processed locally inside the browser. CyberGuard also allows users to decrypt any previously encrypted entry. I'll switch to the Decrypt tab and paste the encrypted hash along with the key that was generated earlier. Once both fields are filled, I simply click Decrypt Password. The original text is restored instantly with a decrypted value, timestamp, and a quick copy option. CyberGuard also supports custom user-defined encryption keys. I'll create another password here and enter my own key instead of letting the system generate one automatically. I'll enable the option to save this encrypted entry to the local vault and then finalize the encryption. CyberGuard stores everything securely in the browser using encrypted local storage, so it remains available even after refreshing or closing the page. Now, I'll switch back to the Decrypt section and try to recover the new, encrypted password. I'll start by entering an incorrect key to show how CyberGuard handles invalid attempts. If the key doesn't match, the decryption process is blocked and CyberGuard displays a clear error message to prevent misuse or accidental access. When I enter the correct key, the password is decrypted instantly, and the original text is restored along with the timestamp and copy options. This demonstrates the full encryption, decryption workflow using both automatic and custom keys. CyberGuard also maintains a local encrypted history of all saved entries. Each item includes the encryption method, timestamp, and the stored hash. From this panel, users can decrypt any entry directly or remove items they no longer need. When I delete an entry, CyberGuard displays a confirmation prompt to prevent accidental removal. There is also a Clear All option for wiping the entire history at once. All of this data is stored securely in the browser's local storage and never transmitted anywhere. The security dashboard gives a quick overview of overall password health. These summary cards update automatically as new passwords are analyzed. The strength distribution chart shows how passwords are spread across categories, and hovering reveals detailed percentages. On the right, the activity timeline tracks when passwords were created or encrypted, updating in real time. Altogether, the dashboard provides a simple visual summary of the user's security status. CyberGuard also provides personalized security recommendations based on the user's activity. These suggestions update automatically depending on how many passwords have been analyzed or stored. Now, if I switch back to the History panel and clear all saved entries, the dashboard immediately updates its recommendations. Since no encrypted passwords remain, CyberGuard prompts the user to begin securing their passwords from scratch, analyze new entries, and improve their security score. This adaptive behavior keeps the dashboard aligned with the user's real-time security state and provides clear guidance for maintaining strong, consistent password habits. At the bottom, the quick action buttons let users jump straight into analyzing passwords, encrypting data, exporting the vault, or generating reports. Exporting is instant, and the downloaded JSON file includes a clear summary of the user's security data. It shows the export date, the total passwords stored, the overall security score, and the full encrypted history, making it easy to back up or review everything later. CyberGuard also includes a full security report generator. When I click Generate Report, the tool instantly creates a downloadable text file containing a detailed summary of the user's security status. Opening the report shows the timestamp, total passwords analyzed, strong passwords, the average strength, and the overall security score. It also provides practical recommendations, such as updating weak passwords, using AES-256 encryption for sensitive data, and performing regular audits to help improve overall security. This makes it easy to quickly review your security posture or save the report for later reference. And that completes the demonstration of CyberGuard. Every feature you've seen, from password analysis to encryption, decryption, history tracking, reporting, and the dashboard, runs fully inside the browser with no data ever leaving the device. CyberGuard is designed to make security simple, visual, and accessible while still using strong encryption and real-time analysis. Whether you're learning cybersecurity or managing sensitive data, the entire suite provides a safe and easy way to strengthen your digital habits. Thank you for watching this demo of CyberGuard.